Hey guys, TechBig SSM here.
Just a quick video, 28-inch Asus PB287 with 4K LED backlights made by Asus. So let's go ahead and open this. Okay, what we got in here? So user's manual with headphone jack, HDMI cable, always useful. That looks like a full display port, but I've got DisplayPort Mini, so I'm going to have to get another cable for that. Cable tie, I'm assuming. Another manual. For you Europeans out there, European cable, I'm probably going to bastardize that cable for DreamHack, or I might just get an adapter off eBay, but I'm not sure yet. So yeah, probably do another video about that. Okay, let's get the polystyrene out. Let's see what we got. Okay, one base. And the monitor. Alright, this could be interesting. In a sec. Yeah, because it's all attached to the pole at the minute, so I'm assuming this is going to be really heavy, but I don't know. That'll be once. Just going to grab. Don't really do that. True unboxing. Actually, jump cut. Okay, and we're back. So now I've finally got this out of the box. A little bit heavier than what I was expecting, but reasons will be explained in a moment. So let's have a quick butchers. So got all the lovely normal stuff. 1 millisecond for gaming, low blue light, flicker free, yeah, picture in picture. Looking forward to using that because at the minute I'm using 2 monitors. With picture by picture and picture in picture. Yeah, the swivelness on the arm, but I'm going to mount it for K-ness. B energy rating for those who are energy efficient. 44 watts at full power. DisplayPort HDMI and MHL for mobile people who like to charge their phone and display items at the same time. Again, made by Asus. Now this was the reason why it was so heavy, because you've actually got the arm attached to the back of the monitor. So it's just one solid thing. Let's have a look at connectivity. So yeah, you got your headphone jack on the back right there on the left. Get your inputs, you've got your display port next to it. 2 HDMIs as well, so you can do your picture in picture, I'm assuming, and your normal sort of power cable. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up and jump cut back once I've actually got this on the desk. See you in a bit. Hey guys, back. I've got the monitor now mounted on my monitor mounts with my other monitor as well, and I'll connect it up to my laptop. So let's do a test boot. Oh, if I can find the power. Is yeah, I'm not a professional YouTuber. Yep. And all said, let there be light, hopefully. Okay, so laptop's on. DisplayPort isn't at the minute. Okay.
USB 3 is a bit of a pain on this laptop, so yeah. Okay, bear with me one sec. Hopefully, oh, it's gone white. Let's get a signal in a minute with a bit of luck. Oh, hello. Yeah, at the minute I'm using the HDMI socket because I've got a mini display port rather than a normal display port. Just wait for the laptop to finish loading. Pop my password in. I think is it the login prompt. Oh, there we go.